we're at your house again. Let me get over here. I didn't take a picture of this side. This is your the left side of your house. And there is, there. Okay. Let's go. Will you get my water?
Let me get a picture of me. No, right up here.
Oh, okay. Smile. Okay. Smile. Come on, this is for Nance. Hey, Bryce, say hi to Nance and Grandpa.
What's up?
What's up? We'll do a quick one again. This is a cute little brush right there. Okay, we're going to Nance's house. We're going to Nance's.
It looks like he's getting ready to put the granite in.
Oh, yeah, okay. Yeah. All right. Here we are. Where's Mom and Dad? Is Dad in his cubby hole? Okay, bye.
Looks like he's getting